Today, we will introduce you to the Tescom Battery Monitoring System, which allows instant monitoring of batteries to ensure uninterrupted performance in your energy solutions. Battery monitoring in uninterruptible power supply systems is a critical element to ensure a reliable and continuous energy supply during power outages. The main function of these monitoring systems is to track the performance and status of the batteries in real time, alert in case of any problems or abnormalities, and predict the need for maintenance. System components and features. Control module with embedded server. The control module, as the central component of the system, records and processes the parameters coming from the battery and ARM modules and transmits this data to the Tescom software. The embedded server offers fast and easy commissioning and provides seamless integration thanks to the Tescom software installed in it. String monitoring module. String current, ambient temperature, and humidity are measured for each string, and the values are sent to the control module via Modbus protocol in the same way. Battery monitoring module. Voltage, internal resistance, and temperature values of each battery of VRLA, VLA, or nickel-cadmium type are measured, and the values are transmitted to the control module via Modbus protocol. Battery monitoring system software. Tescom software provides real-time monitoring of large and small-scale systems. It processes data from the control module and is responsible for email and SMS notifications. Thank you for watching our video. Follow us on social media for more information and to be informed about our products.